Hi there and welcome to the channel. A couple of firsts today. First, I'm wearing a suit. This is the first time I've put a suit on for about 2 years, and it's probably the last time I'm going to put on a suit for about 2 years, but it's a sort of special day. And secondly, I'm going to Cranfield University to see the arrival of a brand new research aircraft which is coming into land.
So today is a monumental occasion. We are anticipating the arrival of Golf November Foxtrot Lima Bravo. It's a Saab 340 which is about to start its life as the new flying classroom and laboratory, and it is currently on its way from Linköping in Sweden and hopefully about to touch down at Cranfield this afternoon. So today we stood on the balcony of the Digital Aviation Research and Technology Centre, which will be officially opened next week. So behind me you can see the 737, which British Airways very generously donated for us to use for research and teaching. And it's sat here under a research area which is based on the hangar of the future. So there's a variety of instrumentation. We have netting which allows us to fly drones within this area for inspection work. We've got a robot that crawls over the aircraft, but we can do that without interfering with airport operation here. And then ultimately, once we've resurfaced the taxiway here, the National Flying Laboratory Saab aircraft will arrive here, and we'll use the experimental terminal building here for students to go through, try out some of the touchless technologies and so on that are being developed for that airport experience, and they'll go out to fly on the aeroplane. So it's a really exciting feature of the campus now. So the Saab 340 is about to start life as a flying classroom and laboratory. So we currently take students from 24 different UK universities and we give them a flight test engineer experience. So aerospace engineering students learn the reality of flying not from a whiteboard, but from being inside an instrumented aircraft, which will go through a series of in-flight manoeuvres so they can collect data and review how the aircraft performs. And we're also able to use the same aircraft for research, so it has a very advanced satellite communication capability that's built into it, and it has space within what was the baggage area to carry experimental racks. So the aircraft will actually be an amazing data collection platform as well.